Hello YouTube, I just wanted to share this as a little update about what is going on in the world. Let me fix this camera. Okay, perfect. Anyways, I wanted to share this as an update in the world from a story on the Young Turks, which is a YouTube channel about the news. That you might have saw this, might have not, but Thomas Massie and a couple of other senators opposed car shutoff switches, mandated car shutoff switches in your cars, which good for them. So what are exactly car shutoff switches? Car shutoff switches are car devices that will be mandated to be implanted in your car if passed or signed this year. It will be mandated to be in your car. Excuse me. It will be mandated to be in your car, and it will control your speed. It will control your making sure your eyes are on the road, and making sure you're awake. Now that, and so on and so forth. If that sounds great and all. That sounds great and all, but this has the possibility to be abused. This kind of technology has the possibility to be abused. So, shout out to Thomas Massie for opposing this. And also shout out to the Young Turks YouTube channel for talking about this on their show. That's all I really got to say. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the red button, the subscribe button down below. Like and subscribe. That's all I'm going to say. Please like and subscribe. That's all I'm going to say. Bye.